Hi! In front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize phone. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display section. Following that, scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced. Then scroll down again and click on Font Size. Lastly, swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. And when you're done, go back. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!